Metro's taking big steps for the public. All the Metro employees were working extra hard.
During COVID-19, Metro continues its commitment to offer the public clean and safe rides.
We're out here every single night, all night from 7 to 3:30 in the morning, cleaning the buses to make sure that the public is as safe as can be. We bring the buses in. They go to a row where we have contract cleaners that clean the inside of the bus with disinfectant wipes. And then the bus comes in here to the service lane. 2 individuals with fog machines with disinfectant that go through the buses and fog the entire bus.
In addition to overnight deep cleaning and sanitization fogging of surfaces, Metro vehicles, bus shelters, and rail platforms are also cleaned during the day while they're in service.
We thoroughly walk the bus inside and out, looking for heavy trash, any other contaminated items, and if we find a contaminated item as a contaminated bus, we go ahead and thoroughly bleach it out with sanitizers, rinse it out, and dry it out. We take pride in cleaning the buses, and we ensure the job is done every night.
Metro also continues to provide hand sanitizer stations.
We replace pumps, we place sanitizer assemblies if needed, and fill them all up every week.
We even provide a face mask to riders who need one. Protecting the health and safety of our riders, employees, contractors, and visitors is Metro's #1 priority.
We're always rolling and we're always working for you.